We're joined on the phone by Gloria Holland, who is the CEO from Mind Mid Hearts. Good morning. Hi there.
Good morning.
Hello.
How are you this morning?
Pretty good, pretty good. I'm all on my own today, you know.
Oh, poor you.
No receptionist. no studio assistant, I should say. They're all off ill.
Oh dear, yes, there's a lot of it about, I think.
Now, you've just recently got your drop-in centre together, and that's on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Tell us about that, and what does it do?
Yes, well, at Mind in Mid Hearts, we're at number 11 Hatfield Road, and we've just started a drop-in on, as you said, on Tuesdays and Saturdays. And really, it's for anybody who wants to come along and is feeling either stressed, depressed, anxious, or has any other issues that they want to just find somewhere safe to go and just... it's going to be led by the people who use the group, because it will develop over time. We're hoping over the next few months, develop into a group that the people want to make it. So, you know, at the moment there may be games and there may be sort of activities that are set up. We may develop quizzes. We may develop some fundraising activities for the charity. Yes, come along and have a look, whether you want to volunteer or just want to come and join in and participate in the activities that are available.
Right. Tell us a bit more about the organisation, Mind then.
Well, Mind in Mid Hearts is one of the two local mind associations that are in Hertfordshire. We've got one that sort of services St Albans, but also Watford, Stevenage and Welwyn Garden City. And there is another Mind Association that works around, it's almost like the horseshoe of Hertfordshire. But between us, we look after people who have or could potentially have mental health difficulties. So whether that's your sort of anxieties about work, whether that's you're just stressed, or whether you have, in actual fact, I like to think of mental health. I think of mental health as a road. I think that, I don't know if you know the statistics, that 1 in 4 people have mental health difficulties. And all of us, we know the difficulties. You said you're alone today at work, and you know, we will be stressed about one thing or another. So Mind in Mid Hearts is there to support people who may have or may potentially have a problem with their mental health. And if you think of the road between sort of well-being and ill health, people can be anywhere on that road between well-being and ill health. And that's not just thinking about the labels that people are given as far as real serious disorders that they might have, where it could lead to serious ill health. But Mind in Mid Hearts is there to support people on any road on their journey, any position on their journey. I hope that we offer activities that will support and enable people to carry on with their lives.
Now, you mentioned volunteers. Just remind us how we might volunteer, and give us a contact bit of detail there as well, please.
We are always looking for volunteers. Our services are run mainly by volunteers. And if you are interested in volunteering, you can call the number 01727 865 070. And a lady called Sonia is our volunteer coordinator, and she'll be happy to take your details and match you up with one of the services that we offer. And the website is www.mindinmidhearts.org.uk.
All right. Thank you very much for the chat this morning, Gloria.
Thank you. Have a good day.
And you. Cheers.
Bye.